It's so big.
Ooh, it's so big.
Today I'm going to teach you guys one of my favorite beauty tricks. I'm going to teach you guys how to apply mascara to get the most out of it.
First, give your lashes a curl with your lash curler. I like to bend my mascara wand just slightly to get a better grip of the lashes. Then, get the lash from the back to darken the backside and remove any fallen powder. Then, using a wiggling motion from the base of the lash, swipe upwards. This makes sure that you're coating the entire lash and creates separation and depth. If you coat the root well, it almost creates the illusion that you have a thicker lash line, mimicking eyeliner. Then you can use a clean spoolie or a lash comb to separate your lashes. Apply a second coat for extra fullness. You can benefit from having multiples in the travel size. You can use it up before it dries out, keep one in your purse, stick one on your vanity, give one to a friend, or keep one as a replacement. If you're a professional, you can also benefit from the travel size, keeping them in different set bags for use on private clients and gifting.
Thanks, Elizabeth Mott, for keeping makeup artists working.